And the cleaning guy had just come out of it, so I was like, oh, I'll do this one.
Try your new drink on him one.
Pomegranate blue. It's I don't even know how to say it. Exciting. It's an interesting aftertaste, but for the most part, it tastes like vitamin water. Because they're basically the same flavor. 2 o'clock.
Making a quick jump into Winco. We might still go to Babies R Us, but now that we're gonna buy a couple things, we're not totally sure. But you ready? Yeah. Alright, we are home now. Descoli is super happy to have us home. Hi, baby.
Don't show off my
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, you're so loud. And now I need to make some food. So.
Where are we gonna go? Nowhere.
Really, dude.
Okay, someone needs to go back and check it.
Somebody's also probably right in his way. So crazy. So crazy.
Hi, Harvey.
Hey, old man. Hi, old man. Hi.
Come on, buddy.
I'm going to say. Alright, so I am heading over to my friend Josh's house to hang out with him while Hannah has a girls' movie night. They're watching the first Harry Potter movie, so yeah, should be a good time of just chilling. See you there.
When it gets close, use a short weapon.
Are you recording?
Yeah, distance. Yeah, but you're still using the same setting. Your objective is want to knock him out. So you just walk right through.
This
him.
is like
Okay, so long weapon to
embarrassing.
short weapon to long weapon.
This is
make
just
sure
real
you-
life.
Okay.
The River Race concert series. I just camera and video. Yeah. Grab the profile I like, edit it, and I'm done. And the color will be astounding. As a camera, it'll be great. Calm down.
Shoot, and just an amazing space. So first off, I know you wanted to see me, and you cut that. Here you are. This is for you at home. Surprisingly difficult to find a place to put the microphone and transmitter, but I did figure it out. I don't want to talk about where my room key and phone are right now, though. Let's just leave that alone. But you know, we have a unique opportunity out here, not only to show you the Fuji X-T20, but also to give you a bit of a cultural experience. We wanted to get into the Zen Gardens this morning, but I guess they're not going to unlock it this early in the morning. So instead, we thought we'd give you a mixture of gorgeous River Valley and Japanese cigarette machine and a vending machine there. You know, the two. This is the dichotomy of Japan. Beautiful landscapes.
So yeah, just chilling here. Obviously, you've seen my friend Josh and his bird. That's like his child right there. So nothing wrong with that. Just like Scully's is like our child. So, but yeah, this is what we're doing. Watching YouTube, talking about cameras, and being complete nerds. So I hope Hannah's having fun watching Harry Potter with her friend. She was supposed to have a couple other friends, but One's car is apparently not working properly, and the other's son, I guess, started to have teeth come in or something. I don't know what the deal is, but wasn't able to make it. So her and one other friend. Good enough, I guess.
So hot, Doug.
Yeah. That's no way.
Wait, it lagged a little bit too as I hit it.
That's an incredible shot.
Yep, here's Huey. I see it. See you around, kids.
Time to go home. Hannah's movie is over, and yeah, it's just time to go home. Maybe I'll make some hamburgers or something. Got team cheeseburgers made. Watch Waterboy, but I'm gonna start watching something else now. Probably Parks and Rec. Ugh.
Oh God, we called Jen last night, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh,
I also called
it's upside down.
875-309 times.
oh God.
What do we do?
There you are, surprise, surprise. Whoa! You guys around a corner.
Someone ate a lot of leftover hamburgers for dinner and then drank
just tight enough to make my eyes bulge out a little.
like half a bowl of water. I think she regrets it.
Oh!
Holy!
Last week, this real scary ghost came down here looking for it. He had black hair, but you could see through his skin.
You. Ow! I just hurt my seal.
Ow.
My keys. Ow.
Your monkeys.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember to like and subscribe. Scully will appreciate it so much. See you tomorrow.